Good morning 10th class students. Today I am going to explain you non-parameterized constructor. So last time we have done what is a constructor, how we can working a constructor, what are the features of constructor and types of constructor, and first type is default constructor we have done. And now today we will see non-parameterized constructor. Look at your book page number 365, non-parameterized constructor. So what is non-parameterized constructor? A constructor which initializes the instance variable of an object with definite values readily available within it is known as non-parameterized constructor. A non-parameterized constructor is defined with the constructor name along with the empty parameter list. So when the constructor is written like this way, constructor name which is your class name, ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट ब्रैकेट क्लोज मीन्स एम्प्टी पेरेंथेसिस एम्प्टी ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर कोई वैल्यू ना हो, दैट इज नोन एज नॉन पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर. इट इज लुकिंग लाइक सिमिलर टू default constructor, but in default constructor which are the default values stored in data types that will be printed. Here we can store the value by ourselves. For example, here is the class name and const means non parameterized constructor. Here two variables int a, b and c. A and b is there, and its now constructor name is nconst, which is the same name as that of the class name, and this bracket start bracket close, no values passed through this one. It means it is a नॉन पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर. जब नाम लिख के क्लास का ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट और क्लोज कर दो, उसके अंदर जो हम वैल्यू पास करेंगे इस ब्रैकेट्स के अंदर कोई भी वेरिएबल या वैल्यू पास नहीं करते हैं. इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ नॉन पैरामीटराइज कंस्ट्रक्टर. Now here a value is 5, b value is 8. Definite values we have passed here. We can pass any type of value in default constructor. Then according to the question we have passed here integer values. Its data type is int. Then display function will display the value of a and b. So in this program used as non-parameterized constructor, the compilation and execution of the above program will take place by using the following steps. So how you will compile? Click on the close button after typing this program. Then what you have to do, you have to right click on the class icon and new const and click on OK button. Then this type of, when you click on the OK button, a right tab button which created at the bottom side here, then you can click on the void display function, then terminal window will come in this way. Okay, so now let's do it practically. I have also typed this program and const means here 5 and 8 value you have passed. Click on compile, click on close, then right click on the program, then the constructor object is created. Okay, then this red button has came, right click, void display, the terminal window will show the values. A value is 5 and the value of b is 8, which you have stored as a in the non parameterized constructor. Now the same program can be done by using main class also when we are creating the object of the class. The same program can be done by using while creating objects created by the programmers. So here the program is same, only what is the change? Here the constructor name is same as that of the class name. Then we have passed the value of 5 and 8. Display function will continue. Then here we will make the main class and we create the object of the class. What is your class name is nconst. Ob is the object name, new const. Here this one is a non-parameterized constructor. Then this way the constructor object is created. Then op.display function will display the value of this one. Okay. So here the constructor nconst is called automatically and the variables of a and b of the object are initialized with 5 and 8 respectively. The ob.display function will display the initial values of a and b of object ob. So let's see this program also how we will have to first we have to write the program the same way. Main class created the object of the class. Like here the class name I have written here ob.const. So class name constructor is same non-parameterized constructor which is passing 5 value to the a variable, second 8 value to the b variable, and by using main class we will run this program. We have created the object of the class. Then click on the compile button, then close, then right click on the program and click on the main class, then click OK. It will show it the result in the terminal window. So automatically object values are passed 5 and 8 to a and b. In this way non-parameterized constructor is created and the programs can run by using main class also or without the main class also. By creating the object of the class here, it will be working. So this is your non-parameterized constructor. Thank you student, please watch all the videos regularly, otherwise you will not understood what I am sending in the next video. So previous you have to look after. So many students name I have sending in work not seen list. Why you are not watching the homeworks which are sending by the teachers? Please students, we are making the videos with very hard work, so please watch the videos. And if you are finding any problem in any program or in a lesson or any concept, please send a message, respond please if you are not understanding anything. Thank you students, have a nice day.